friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In this video we are going to see 10th standard science unit 20 breeding and biotechnology part 1 textbook evaluation Roman letter 8 long answer questions. What are the effects of hybrid vigorous in animals? A. Increased production of milk of cattle. B. Increased production of eggs by poultry. C. High quality of meat is produced. D. Increased growth rate in domesticated animals. E. Increased feed assimilation rate. Describe mutation breeding with an example. Mutation is defined as the sudden heritable change in the nucleotide sequence of DNA in an organism. It is a process by which genetic variations are created, which in turn brings about changes in the organism. The organism which undergoes mutation is called a mutant. Two mutagens. The factors which induce mutation are known as mutagens or mutagenic agents. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Types. Physical mutagens, radiations like X-rays, alpha, beta and gamma rays, UV rays, temperature, etc., which induce mutations are called physical mutagens. Chemical mutagens, chemical substances that induce mutations are called chemical mutagens. Example, mustard gas and nitrous acid. The utilization of induced mutation in crop improvement is called mutation breeding. Achievements of mutation breeding. Some achievements of mutation breeding are Sarbati sonara, wheat produced from Sonara 64 by using gamma rays. Automata 2 rice with saline tolerance and pest resistance. Groundnuts with thick shells. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. இந்த வீடியோவை மறுபடியும் போட்டு பாருங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் மெமரைஸ் ஆகும். எக்ஸாமில் ஃப்ளோ ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரியான வீடியோவை ஷார்ட் வீடியோஸாகவும் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்ருக்கேன். அதையும் போட்டு பாருங்க. சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் கொடுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட. Biofortification may help in remaining hidden hunger. How? Biofortification is the scientific process of developing crop plants enriched with desirable nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins. In this process, below the crop plants are produced lysine-rich maize, Proteina, Shakti, Ratna, protein-rich wheat Atlas 66, iron-rich rice variety, Vitamin A enriched carrots, pumpkins and spinach. இந்த வீடியோஸை நீங்கள் ஹெட்ஃபோன் போட்டுக்கிட்டு அகெயின் அண்ட் அகெயின் போட்டு பாருங்கள். ஆன்சர்ஸ் மெமரைஸ் ஆகும். வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணவங்களுக்கும் சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணவங்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றி. With a neat labeled diagram, explain the techniques involved in gene cloning. Gene cloning, the carbon copy of an individual, is often called a clone. However, more appropriately, a clone means to make a genetically exact copy of an organism. In gene cloning, a desirable gene or a piece of desirable DNA fragment is inserted into a bacterial cell and multiplied. Refer text for diagram. Techniques involved in gene cloning. Isolation of desired DNA fragment by using restriction enzymes. Insert the DNA fragment into a vector, that is plasmid, to make DNA or DNA. Transfer of rDNA into a bacterial host cell. Multiply the host cell to get a clone. By this technique, several enzymes, hormones and vaccines can be produced. Discuss the importance of biotechnology in the field of medicine. Using genetic engineering techniques, medicinally valuable pharmaceutical products are developed. Insulin produced to treat diabetes. Human growth hormone for treating children growth deficiencies. Blood clotting factors developed to treat Hyomophilia. Tissue plasminogen activator is used to dissolve blood clot. Development of vaccines for disease like rabies. Higher order thinking skills, HOTS. A breeder wishes to incorporate desirable characters into the crop plants. Prepare a list of characters he will incorporate. The crop will be incorporated with ability to grow fast, disease resistance, high yield, adaptability to the environment, tolerance against pest attack. Organic farming is better than green revolution. Give reason. Green revolution, the aim of it is to increase the yield by the following steps. Improve the seed quality by selection, by increasing the soil fertility with chemical fertilizers, extracting the maximum of nutrients, water source, etc. to increase the yield. Organic revolution. Organic revolution, the aim of it is sustainable agriculture practice. Use of organic fertilizers which do not pollute the soil. Crop remains is used as manure. It is long-term farming. The product is harmless. Polyploids are characterized by gigantism. Justify your answer. An organism having more than 2 sets of chromosomes is called polyploid. The size of the fruits depends on the degree of polydy and the number of genes which are multiplied are called gigantism. In plants, polyploid condition helps in increase of product by size. Vegetable like cabbage, brinjal and tea, TV29 variety has increased in size. Seedless fruits are also developed. This helped the human society by increase their product in a short span of time. P is a gene required for the synthesis of vitamin A. It is integrated with a genome of Q to produce genetically modified plant R. What is P, Q and R? State the importance of R in India. P, beta carotene gene. Q, genome of rice plant or golden rice. The genetically modified rice can produce beta carotene that can prevent vitamin A deficiency. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. We can meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.